Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Twinkle and today is the day 4 of 9-day 9 looks. And I have already primed my face and filled my eyebrows. So for priming my face, I did use the Wet n Wild Dewy primer, and for filling my eyebrows, I did use NYX Professional Makeup Build Them Up Powder Eyebrow product, like eyebrow filler. And now I'll be moving on to my foundation. And for foundation, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. And I am in the shade 128. I took a generous amount on the back of my hand. And now with the help of a sponge, I'm gonna apply it. For my concealer, I'm gonna use Eyeko Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. And to set my base, I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. And for contour, blush and highlight, I'm gonna use the Sivanna Colors palette and Ofra highlighter. And now comes the eyes, and for eyes I have really interesting product. This is the Estate eyeshadow in the shade Pipe, and this is matching perfectly to my outfit, so this will be like a main eyeshadow. For my transition and everything, I'm gonna use these two shades. I'm just giving like a rough base to my eye. Just a little bit, not too much. Now comes the main part, and for lid I'm gonna use this shade. And can you see how beautiful it looks? I love it. Like, I love such basic looks with the hint of shimmer. I'm going to take the same brush which I use for my crease and just blend out the harsh edges. And with the same brush, whatever is left will go in my lower lash line. And now I'm gonna use the same highlighter for my brow bone and inner corners. And now only the eyeliner, mascara and lipstick is left, so we'll do that. And for eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Eyeko London eyeliner. For mascara, I'm gonna use Hypercurl Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. And for lips, I'm gonna use the shade Cinnamon from Unique to You color, which is going perfect with my outfit. And I think it's giving justice to my sort of monochrome look. It's looking beautiful. I feel like it's light, but it's very dark on camera. Now I'm gonna do my hair, apply bindi and come back quickly. So I went ahead and apply lashes. Lashes are from Luoci Lashes, handmade mink lashes, and this is in the variant L0001. And they are a bit dramatic, I know, but like this is simple, this is very wearable, simple look. So I wanted something dramatic, and this is my dupatta, and this is my final look. I hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and so much more amazing content is on its way. And take care. Bye.